Hello everyone. Hello. How have you been? I hope you've been okay. You will be fine. You will be safe and sound. That's great. This is mathematics course depicting real numbers on the number line. In the previous video regarding to mathematics, we studied about real numbers. Yeah. If you haven't checked that video out, you could just go back and first check out that video, then come to this video until you get yourself aware of the mathematics. And if you don't really know about what really real numbers are, of course you will have troubles with this topic. First, go check out that video and then come to this lecture. So I'm going to start with depicting real numbers on the number line. Depicting means to draw. If you are given a number, how would you draw that number on the number line? Here in this video, we learn all about them. Depicting real numbers on the number line, how to draw a number on the real number line. Of course, this is a number line, and of course, you would be given a number. I will show you examples, and you will be able to draw that number in this number line. But just here I've written some steps with blue marker here. You could just look at them. The first one here helps us to visualize the set of real numbers. So this is about the number line. This is, of course, the number line, which I've drawn here at the bottom with red marker until you understand it completely, just for your well. This number line helps us to visualize the set of real numbers. If anyone asks you, why do we draw numbers, or what is the importance of the number line? Step number first helps us to visualize the set of real numbers. This number line helps us where the position of a number is. Look at this step number 2. For any point on a line, there is a real number. For any point on a line, there is a real number. Pretend this is a number line. For any point, if I take this point, wait for a while. If I take this point, there is, of course, a real number. For any point, this is a point, there is a real number. On the number line, for any point, there is a real number. If I take this portion, look at here, there is also a real number. If I take this portion, also a real number. If I take this portion, also a real number. To the left as well. If I take this portion, there lies a real number. If I take this portion, wherever you take any portion on the number line, there lies a real number. And the third step, look at here. For any real number, there is a place on the number line. If I write number 3, there is a specific place on the number line for this digit. What I said, for any real number, this is a real number, there is a place on the number line. There should be a place. There is a place, of course, 100% on the real number line. If I take this, pretend this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 here. Of course, this step says for any real number, there is a place on the number line. Look at here, the number associated with a point is called the coordinate of that point. The number, any number, look at here, 3, pretend this example, its place is here, 1, 2, 3. So this portion, this is called the coordinate of the 3. Coordinate of 3. Pretend -5. What is the coordinate of the -5? We understand from this point that the number associated with a point on the number line is called the coordinate of that number. To the left, pretend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the coordinate of the -5. One more thing, you see here 0. I will draw it here for you. Look at here. Pretend this is a number line. In the middle, there lies 0. 0 is also called the origin. Origin, yeah. Origin of the number line. Origin of the number line. One more thing you shouldn't have to understand about. To the right of the 0, there lies all positive numbers. This is the right portion, right. All positive numbers. +1, +2, +3, and so on. This arrow means that these digits never terminate. It goes infinitely. To the left of the 0, there lies on the number line all negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, and so on. So this is a number line. We have 0, which is called the origin. To the right of the 0, all positive numbers. To the left of the 0, all negative numbers. So I'll just show you a few examples for that you may understand them completely. So let's see how examples work. Let's look at some examples. Yeah, look at your examples. If you are asked that draw these numbers on this number line, how would you do so? Look at just here. The first one, which is very easy, look at here. Just I want this one first. 8, +8. So is it positive or negative? Remember, a number with no sign is always considered to be a positive number. Having no sign, it's positive. So I mentioned to the right of the 0, all positive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretend this is 7. This is 8. Yeah, 8 locates here. So this is also called the coordinate of the 8 on the real number line. Look at the second example, -2.9. 2.9. Be careful here. Is it positive or negative? Of course it's negative. So negative lies to the left of the 0. This is right. This is left. -1, -2, 2.9. Just divide this portion between 2 and 3 into 10 equal divisions. Pretend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. Look at here. 2.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. So this portion, just look at here. This portion here, there lies -2.9. This is also called this point, the coordinate of the number 2.9. Look at the third example, -3/5. To solve this problem, first divide 3/5. How do you do for this? 3 divided by 5, of course, 0.6. 30. 0.6. This equals 0.6 How do you do about for 0.6? Divide this portion between 0 and 1. Just look at here. Is it positive or negative? This is negative. So here, between 0 and negative 1. Just remember, 0 is neither nor negative, sorry, N-E-I-T-H-E-R, neither, yeah, neither negative nor positive. 0 has no charge. It is neutral, having 0 charge on it. So this is negative. Look at here, negative sign. Negative 0.6 between 0 and 1. This number lies between 0 and 1. But where? Look at here. Divide this portion into 10 equal divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0.6, 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This. 0.6, but negative 0.6. This is also called the coordinate of negative 0.6 under root 2. If you solve this, it lies, I think, it becomes 0 point something, but positive. Maybe lying here under 2. 8, I solved for 8. 17 over 4. 17 divided by 4. 4, 16. 1, 0, 1. If you just put here 0 and put here a comma, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5. So this equals 4.25. 4.25. How do you solve for 4.25? This is 4, this is 5. 4.25. Divide this portion into 25 equal divisions and you will solve for 17 over 4. It becomes, I think, like here. Between 4 and 0, 17 over 4 equals 4.25. So these were a few examples. I showed you the way how to solve for 8. I hope you got it. I'll just write some examples for your homework and try to solve those examples by your own. So this is your homework. Look at here, homework. You should do it by your own. Just have a sheet of paper, write these questions. 20, 13.5, 10 over 3. You could just divide this, and whatever the answer is, just find its place on the number line. You shouldn't have to draw a number line, one number line for each of them. 20 over 5, which equals 4. It's pretty much easy. 3.3, 10 over 3. So this is your homework. Draw a number line and plot all these numbers on the number line. And thank you very much. I will see you in the next coming video. And bye for now.